What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the James and Mariz on Real Estate channel, and today we're going to be diving into the financial headline, breaking down the Federal Reserve latest interest rate decision, and we're going to be talking about exploring the market reactions and discussing about the global impact of what this means. So the Federal Reserve, in its latest meeting, talked about maintaining a benchmark of interest rate, and that range is between 5.25 to 5.5. And guys, this decision comes from the expectations of a rate decrease this year, and they've been talking about reducing rates by at least 3 times. So we're going to be talking about what does this mean for the economy, guys. So firstly, the Federal Reserve is holding interest rates steady within the last couple of months because they want to be cautious. So that's like their mindset right now. They want to be cautious and they don't want inflation to go up. And currently right now, there's signs that are saying that inflation has been cooling down, and the Federal Reserve just want to remain vigilant, and they want to suggest that the inflation isn't in a level that they're comfortable with, which is around 2% annually, which is a very important thing, right? So right now, currently, there's a lot of people that having mixed signal, and there's investors that are cheering right now that finally interest rate is just pulling back. Real estate investors and stock investors and everybody, politicians that are claiming and wanting to do even a stronger rate decrease. Right now, the equity market is on pretty much a standstill, and they're waiting to see what the Federal Reserve is currently doing. And right now, as we continue to observe the market, what we're noticing is that the mortgage 10-year treasury has been pulling back just a little bit, and lenders are reducing their rates. So it's a really positive sign. So that's some of the things that we want to look for is globally. What does this mean, and how would this impact just not only the US, but just pretty much everywhere? So guys, one thing is that we want to keep in mind is that emerging markets are gonna take into effect as what the U.S. market does. Right now, the dollar is very strong. So what that means is that other countries are gonna start looking for the dollar as the dominant asset, and they're gonna use the dollar more often, and they're gonna hold the dollar more often. When we cut rates, that means the dollar is not gonna be as strong versus other currency. So keep that in mind. So other country are not gonna feel like the dollar is going to be as strong, so that's going to be an important thing. So what are some of the experts saying? So right now, guys, the Federal Reserve and the federal decision today, they're saying is super significant, and it shows they're looking for how the Federal Reserve is handling inflation and growth, and they're looking at the data very closely. One of the data that they're looking at is a job market indicator, and currently right now there's a softening in the job market. And those are some key highlights of what the Federal Reserve are planning to do. And we're believing that they are planning to reduce rates because the job market has softening significantly. Okay. So now, guys, let's talk about what could this mean for you as homeowners if you're looking to buy, sell, invest, and what could interest rate be in the short term and long term, right? So if you're an investor, this is a very good sign for you to move your money in, say, bonds, and start considering moving that money into real estate or equity or commodities, because you're not going to be able to get that yield, which is around 5% in a bond anymore, right? You can't put that money in your bank account and it'll start you money. So you got to put that money back into equity, back into real estate. And a lot of people are doing it. So today's decision is super important, and it talks about the broader economy, and what we're looking for right now is a soft landing in our economy. Currently right now, inflation is cooling off and job loss is cooling down, and we're looking to be very bullish and aggressive. Equity, real estates, crypto, stocks, hard assets, right? Even a 0.25% cut, super significant, because it shows that we're moving into a direction that if you invest in equity, it's going to be super important, right? Real estate, stocks, crypto. So anyways, the next couple of meetings are going to be very important, right? So what we're doing today will signify if we're either dovish or hawkish. And this is going to point out the direction of the economy and the direction of the global economy. So today, Federal Reserve is going to be one important piece to the global market, and we're super excited to see what's going to happen. What we're doing right now is we're observing the Federal Reserve and what they're currently doing. It's very important that you guys don't put all your money into equity and don't put all your money into real estate. Make sure you guys have at least 1 full year of cash reserve to support your current living lifestyle and your investments and whatnot and your expenses. Even though we're very bullish in the equity market like real estate, stocks, and crypto right now, it's very prudent that we make sure that we have something set aside just in case the worst case scenario. All right, guys, this is James and Mariz on real estate. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. We have other content out there in our playlist. Check it out. All right, guys, peace and love. Hey guys, are you ready to take the first step toward home ownership? Book your free appointment now and jump on our Google/Zoom meeting calendar at buywithpham.com and start your home buying journey and learn how we can help you save anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more when buying. We'll go over all the programs that are available for you for first-time home buyer, teachers, doctors, police officers, and all the programs out there that can help you save thousands and thousands of dollars when it comes to buying. So we're now serving the Bay Area, all of Northern California. Also, we have partner agents in all of Central Valley, Southern California, including Irvine's Orange County, along with Portland, Oregon. If you're looking to save a ton of money when it comes to buying, jump on our calendar, go to buywithpham.com, and we'll go over all the programs out there that can help you save quite a bit. All right, guys, look forward to helping you out. Peace and love. Are you a real estate agent that is tired of wasting your time hosting open houses, doing door knocking, and cold calling for leads? We created free training on how you can add an extra $343,000 in profit a year consistently by selling new construction homes using system, automations, and internet marketing in a brand new market, all without spending more than 4 hours a day in your real estate business. Even if you're a brand new agent with little marketing budget or nobody knows who you are, all you need to do is register the link below and we'll send you the new construction class training along with the text system and email system that we currently have. Here's what you'll learn in the new construction class training: how to find your niche and position yourself as an expert in your local market so then you can be popular and dominate your competition. You'll also learn how to get an endless stream of online leads chasing you down daily. You'll also learn how to automate your business and get the best sales agent in your market to prospect leads and generate sales for you 24/7 without ever complaining, leaving you, or taking a break. We're looking for a couple of agents that we can help grow their real estate business by helping them bring their real estate business using the internet. All you need to do is click on this link and register down below and we'll send you the new construction class training. Peace and love.